friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Mr. Fun Computer from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started with a cap. So we're going to draw on a diagonal line that comes out. And then on the left-hand side, we're just going to curve this line over. We're going to do the same thing from the side, curving this line across. And then again from here, we're just going to draw on another diagonal line that comes down. To the right of this, we're going to arch this line out. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up, and then we'll do the same thing as we come over on the right. Now from here, we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right. From the center, we're going to arch this line down on the right, and then again, we'll arch this line down on the left. Moving up in the middle, we're going to draw in a small circle. To the right of this, arching this line out, back in, and then we'll do the same over on the left. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in two straight lines that come down. Let's move down and draw in the face now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle. And then moving across on the right-hand side, let's replicate that. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line from left to right. And then moving down on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that joins together in the center. Let's close off the face. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. On the right, on the top, we're going to bring this line out and then curving that at the corner, bringing that down. Continuing this line down on the side, ending that at roughly the same height. Now on the left, we're going to curve this line in, bringing this across towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. Now let's do the same thing on the left. So we're going to bring this line down and then in. And then on the right-hand side, bringing this line down and then back in. Now let's close this off with a straight line from left to right. We're going to move down again, drawing in another straight line. Let's draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then we're going to draw in another straight line across again. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in two straight lines that come up. As we move over on the outside now, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across. Let's draw in another straight line that comes down. We're going to close this off. So on the left, we're going to bring in a straight line that comes in towards the center. And then again, starting back on this line, we're going to replicate that over on the right. Now for the legs, on the outside, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down towards the bottom of our page. And then moving back over on the inside, let's replicate that, ending that at the same height. Now we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across. And now let's draw on the wire on the bottom. So on the right, we're going to curve this line down, out, and then back down towards the bottom. And then leaving a gap beside that, we're just going to replicate this pattern as we come down. And that is it. That's how you draw Mr. Fun Computer from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.